everybody.
Today we're going to open this given box from Thai Snack online.
Jayla and I are so excited to review the contents of this box. Now, indeed. Now guys, it's ThaiSnackOnline.com. If you go visit there, you will find many snacks. Not just snacks though, Jayla. They've got tin foods as well. They've got beans. They've got chips. They've got
popcorn.
They've got popcorn. They do. I've seen that. They've got sweets. They've got lollies. Now, guys.
They got noodles.
They do have noodles.
And drinks.
And they do have noodles and drinks. I'm glad she actually added those. Now, we were reached out by the owners to do this, and we, as a family, were humbled by that. So thank you very much. Let's open the box, Jay.
Yeah. Wow!
Let's turn that around. Wow! Now look at that. It says, "Happy snacking, Jayla. Amazing parents." Let me repeat that. I'm going to repeat something. Amazing parents. There we go. Now,
What is this?
that looks...
Is this Thailand's capital city?
Now it says here, it says the Grand Palace, Bangkok, Thailand. That's a very lovely little touch that they've given us, Jay.
Nice.
And then it says here, please let us know your experience on Google or on Facebook. Look at that, everybody at home. Now, let's get this party started. So generous. I can't say anything.
I only thought about something to pick.
Excellent. Let's go ahead and start snacking.
This.
Let's do that. Let's go ahead. And unfortunately, I think it says Lu. I'm gonna go with Luai. Let's go with that. So let me just open these out. I think these are like marshmallows. So, and this is it says Thailand. That's a lychee. Wow, lychee. Mummy likes lychees.
Because it's marshmallow.
Cheers. Put it straight into your mouth, Jay.
There's stuffing.
But taste that. When that starts to melt, everyone at home, it's not overly sweet. It's really soft, like eating clouds, and you get that little burst of banana. What does yours taste like?
It just tastes like a marshmallow with a little hint of tart.
Excellent. Now, so let's go ahead. Now, Jayla, you picked up the jackfruit crisps. This is going to be interesting. I've never tasted a jackfruit. Have you? No? I don't think I have as well.
I feel like it would taste like a mango.
So, cheers. Never tasted. You know, you're not wrong. It has. There is a little sweetness of that you would get from a mango. These are really nice. If you
like this for me.
If you like crunch and there's a little sweetness in the background, guys, at home, this is something to go towards. Let's do that. Let's read this first.
It tastes like it's mango flavour.
It is. Let's see the name of that. Pocky. Mango flavoured. I can smell the mango.
I can smell the mango.
Wow.
Wait, and we didn't
I'm sorry,
cheers.
Everyone at home, this is like heaven for me. What shall we pick next?
Bang bang.
Oh, wow, that smells lovely. Cheers. Smell it.
Yum.
It's not overly sweet. And to be honest with you guys at home, I prefer not overly sweet chocolates and snacks. What about you?
I'm similar to you, but I love it.
I love it too. And I can hear you crunching around. Oh, look at all those the wafer layers. What shall we pick next, Jay?
Dynamite.
Okay, let's read. What are the ingredients?
Choco-filled mint flavoured candy.
This is gonna be minty.
Chin chin.
I'm getting the little hints of chocolate. It's only a small amount, but that's very nice. It's making my mouth salivate.
I normally rate it 10 out of 10, but I'm gonna be like over 10.
It is a nice. I like this one.
Mint out of 10.
Mint out of 10, everyone. Fabulous. Let me have a read of this. Now it says here, fried sweet potato chips coated with buttered caramel. Cheers. Do you know what? It tastes like I'm eating cereal. Like that you'd mix it in within milk and have it as a breakfast.
This is okay for my taste buds, but I feel like this.
Something has been there in my eyes since the very beginning, and it is these banana chips, and it says crispy banana with tamarind.
What?
Now, 2 banana crisps, and there's the tamarind paste in between, like a sandwich. So you get this crunchy outer coating.
It's like
and
brown.
chewy.
It looks like honey.
That's the
And
tamarind.
I love sour things. I love it.
I love this, and guys, it's won the Superior Taste Award. I can see why. Banana chips. I love bananas. Oh, these are.
And
No.
these are just banana crisps.
Yeah, that's exactly what. That's what it says. Banana.
Coated with honey.
What's that then?
Crispy and fun.
Crispy and fun, everybody.
I'm gonna get a sugar rush.
It says Thai coconut roll with natural banana. Oh, guys, at
Yay!
home.
I love bananas.
If anyone knows me, they will know that I love coconut.
I love coconut.
Yeah, coconut is the best. These are very pretty.
You have this.
Thank you.
I have these.
Look at that, you can see right through. And do you know,
I'm a pirate.
oh.
Arr.
What do you taste straight away?
Banana.
Yeah. And the banana came rushing straight in. That was lovely.
I like it.
Do you like it?
Not love it because it feels like there's too much banana and I don't like too much banana. Strawberry flavored cream wafers.
Do you love the colours?
Yeah, I love the colour pink.
Yeah. I like that too. Look at that. Pull that out. This looks like it's got yogurt coating.
No.
Oh, wow. I thought you were going to steal it from me. I'm going to be fights. But, guys, that felt like I was eating a strawberry milkshake.
It makes me feel like eating a strawberry yogurt.
A yogurt? Yeah. Let's all eat.
Yogurt. It tasted like a strawberry yogurt.
It says, here we go, tomato flavoured crackers. I think I can open
I love
this.
crackers.
And I want to just say, everyone at home, these packs are filled with air. The reason you can feel that is so that the products inside don't find themselves broken and that they can travel well. Okay.
I'm gonna have two. So
Have two. You have both of them. I'm just going to eat. These melt in your mouth very quickly. They are
It just
gone.
tastes like tomatoes.
Yeah.
It tastes like tomato spread when you put it on the pizza.
I was going to say the same thing.
This long.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
You can eat these.
I don't know. It tastes like corn.
These are alright. These look like crisps I used to eat when I was younger. I'm sure they're still around and they're called knickknacks.
Pocky. Banana. Choco banana flavor.
These smell. That smell like a banana milkshake again, everybody. Smell that.
It tastes like banana.
And Jayla, it's a chocolate biscuit. That's why it's brown. That is so intense.
Now we can have the milk.
Yeah.
Look. It just looks like a smoothie. Wow.
Let's have oh, look at that.
They have cookie.
That it is chewy.
I can't. It's good, but I can't chew it.
But what do you think?
Okay.
Mine is not this. I actually love that. I really loved this experience of Thailand. And
Me too.
I'm glad that you liked it too. There was a lot of things here that we were tasting, and some of it was quite new. Not only to me, but I'm sure it was brand new to you too. What were your favourites, Jay?
This is just my favourite, but this one is my ultimate favourite.
My favourite here was the crispy banana with tamarind. My ultimate favourite. But guys, what I really did enjoy, of course it is the marshmallows. Now everybody at home, I'd like to say thank you so much to ThaiSnackOnline.com for supplying us with these fantastic treats. What do you want to say to them, Jay?
That Thai Snack Online is very good. You could just get things like drinks. Like, they're amazing. So, if you want to go in there, just thank you, ThaiSnackOnline.com. But you all guys have to go there.
I agree. If you don't go there and check them out, guys, you're going to be missing out. I'd like to say thank you very much to the owners of ThaiSnackOnline.com for everything. Now, guys,
Everything.
if you liked it, what should people do, Jays?
Let